New to Forex trading? Here's how to start smart with 6 quick tips for success. POV, you're at the beginning of your FX trading journey and the amount of brokers to choose from and information to consume to get educated is totally overwhelming. Take a deep breath and keep watching. Your greatest chapter yet is about to commence. Forex is about trading currency pairs, like USD to ZAR or pound sterling to US dollar. You're always buying one currency while selling the other. It's not gambling, it's strategy. Master the basics: a pip, spread, leverage, stop loss. These aren't buzzwords, they're the building blocks of smart trading. Before risking real money, trade on a demo. Use it like it's real cash. Learn. Make mistakes. Adjust. Your broker is your partner. Look for regulation, low spreads, and solid support. I personally stick with RCG markets, it just feels right. You don't need a complex setup. Trade major pairs, use 2 indicators, and always set a stop loss. Discipline beats fancy. The more you learn, the better you trade. Follow trusted educators. Join trading communities. Never stop growing. Forex is a journey. Take it one step at a time. Start smart, trade smart, and you won't need luck.